guys, it's another cold morning in Tennessee. We're up in the stand hunting kind of a field down here. I'm sitting in this single man stand. Caleb's to my right. He's in a saddle. Morning, guys. Um, we're here on the Cooper Farm again. Got a lot better setup than we did last time. Got here at a lot better time, I would say. Got foot pegs now. I got my bow over here to the right of or left of me. Noah's in his ladder stand to the right of me. Kind of heard some movement this morning. Don't really know if it's deer or not yet. But hopefully we'll get on a good one this morning. Don't really matter what walks out. A doe would be nice. But I'll hand it back to Noah and hopefully we'll update y'all later.